Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model Aviator RB3025 in color code L0205. It's a Arista gold color frame. On the temples here, we have a transparent finish at the tip of the temples, as well for the other side. Taking a look at the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a green-gray color. They are G15 lenses. And they also have the RayBan logo engraved on the left lens and on the top right lens. They are also RXable. Up here we have the RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and these are RayBan booklets.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.